You know, it's very easy sometimes to tell, if you broke a fingernail at work or if you just have a black and blue mark. And for those situations, if you feel like you don't need any medical care and it's getting better and you're fine, then you've got to make that decision as to whether or not you wish to report it or not. For anything other than an extraordinarily minor injury, you probably do need to report it, and you do have 30 days to report it to your supervisor, although I always encourage folks to make sure that they report it immediately, because even if you wait 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, they seem to hold it against you. It's always best, if you hurt yourself, report it to your supervisor. From that point forward, you then have the option to seek medical care. If you don't need to see the doctor but once or twice, then you don't need to see the doctor but once or twice. But if what you consider to be a minor bruise happens to turn into a blood clot in your leg, then that minor bruise has now created a major health problem for you. And if you fail to report that timely, then you're going to be stuck in many situations with ongoing medical care because you decided, oh, I just had a bruise and there was no problem. Those are the types of things that you have to be very mindful about. And of course, we don't always know what's going on internally in our body, but usually you can tell. Usually you know if something's going to just be something minor or not. I've had many people call me and say, well, I didn't report it right away. I thought I would just work through my back pain. I've had back pain before. I've taken a leave a couple times, put some ice on it, and was good as new. But you knew in this situation that back pain was not getting any better. And after a couple of days, it was clear that the pain was getting worse. The pain perhaps was shooting down your leg. Maybe you couldn't feel your toes. That is not a typical back sprain that is going to go away very quickly. And so you have to really know your body. And in order to protect yourself, I always advise my clients to immediately report their injuries to their supervisors. It helps you in the long run. If you'd like to speak to me about your case, please feel free to give me a call. Hi, this is Jodi, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube or a like on Facebook. I also encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link to do so is on the screen. I also invite you to call me directly if you have been injured on the job and need an honest and realistic opinion regarding your case or details regarding the law. I can be reached at 770-351-0801 or email me at jodiginsberglaw@gmail.com. Thanks.